Are you endlessly scrolling through Realtor.ca listings late at night, dreaming about that perfect Ottawa home, but waking up overwhelmed with the fear of missing out? Well, what if I told you there's a proven way to turn a dream home into keys in your hand in just 3 months? Stick around because I'm about to reveal a step-by-step roadmap that's helped countless buyers in our Ottawa market skip the stress and close deals fast. Hey everyone, I'm Curtis and I make videos to help buyers and sellers just like you. I also happen to be a top producing real estate agent right here in Ottawa. Take a look at my Google reviews to see the positive experiences my clients have had while working with me and my team. Today, I'm sharing a 3-month roadmap to help you buy your next home. So whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, this plan will work for everyone. This isn't about dragging your feet for years. It's a focused plan to get you prepped, searching, and settled with ease. Let's break it down. Month 1. Get prepared and pre-approved. Month 1 is all about building a strong foundation so you're ready to pounce when the right home hits the market. In week 1, you'll stop scrolling and set your budget. First things first, ditch the doom scrolling on apps like Realtor.ca or House Sigma. It's fun, but it builds false hope without any action. Instead, calculate your budget, use online tools, but also chat with a mortgage broker to figure out your max purchase price based on the current interest rates being offered by banks and lenders. Factor in property taxes, which averages around 1% a year, and closing costs like legal fees and land transfer tax. Week 2, kick off your pre-approval. Contact a local lender for mortgage pre-approval. This isn't just paperwork, it's your golden ticket in Ottawa's market, showing sellers you're serious and giving yourself peace of mind as well. Takes 1 to 2 days to start, but get it done early. I can share my trusted broker contacts with you to make things easy. In week 3, nail down your needs versus wants. Make 2 lists, must-haves like 3 bedrooms or proximity to Ottawa's transit lines, and nice-to-haves like a finished basement. This will keep you focused and prevents overpaying for extras in areas like Canada or Orleans. In week 4, you're going to plan your exit strategy. If you're renting, give notice on your lease. Ottawa rentals usually require 60 days typically. Selling your current home, list it now to align timelines. I can help coordinate this seamlessly. In month 2, team up and start hunting. Now we're ramping up. Month 2 is about assembling your dream team and hitting the ground running. In weeks 5 to 7, hire a real estate agent. Do you know this is free for you as a buyer? That's right. Most buyers don't even realize that using a realtor doesn't cost them a penny because the seller almost always pays the commission to the buyer's agent. Here's where I come in. As your buyer's agent in Ottawa, I'll provide access to listings, neighborhoods, comps, and expert negotiation. In weeks 8 and up, it gets more fun. Now we can explore and view homes. We can set up showings in your target areas, visit neighborhoods at different times to get a sense of the community. It's really important to stay focused on homes that fall in your pre-approval budget. Month 3, make offers and close the deal. Month 3 is go time, turning views into victories. Weeks 9 to 10, submit offers. When you find the one, we'll craft a strong offer that gives you the best chance to secure your next home. In Ottawa, we'll always include conditions to keep you protected. As a realtor, I can help draft all of this and make it easy for you to understand. In weeks 11 to 12, it's all about due diligence and closing. Once you have an accepted offer, the conditional period typically begins. Inspections, appraisals, full financing approval are amongst some of the items to take care of in the 1 to 2 weeks that follow an accepted offer. Closing on a home in 30 to 60 days is quite common here. So finalize your mortgage, handle closing matters with a lawyer, and budget for adjustments like property taxes. By day 90, you'll be unlocking your new door. Closing timelines in Ottawa can vary, but don't worry, we'll guide you through any hiccups. So there you have it. That's been your 3-month roadmap to home ownership in Ottawa. No more endless searching, just smart, stress-free steps. And if you're ready to start, comment below your budget and desired neighborhood or hit that subscribe button for more tips. Better yet, reach out to me directly or visit my website in the description below and we'll set up a plan. Let's make your Ottawa dream home a reality.